You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Ongabo owulira olutalo lwe tuliko lunene ate lwa mangu si lwa nkya lwa leero. Mu lutalo luno tetulina budde ate lwakuwuliriza nti Amuriat simanyi agambye eki, oba ayagala kgenda mu kkooti oba ayagala kgenda wa, ate tunuulire naye nti naye gyali. Wano tewali kiseera ky'aba Amuriat baani, ffe tuli ku lutalo olununula ensi. Bw'aba ayagala kujja mu lutalo olununula ensi ajje tulwane, tumwaniriza. Naye bw'abanga ali eyo akukutana ebintu bye tulina buddewo. Tweyanza nnyo tweyanza.